I am so happy today, Mama and Papa. Thank you for coming to this vacation.
We are also very happy, Arjun. This place is so calm and peaceful. It truly feels like paradise on earth.
What is happening here? What are these sounds?
Hey, my child, you look troubled. What's on your mind?
Master, who were those people? They looked like us, wore the same clothes, spoke the same language. So why did they hurt us?
They are people who've lost their way. They hurt others because they think it makes them stronger. But really, it shows how little they understand life. They only see what's outside, never what's within.
Will they be punished for what they did?
Yes, definitely. Every action has its consequence, but punishment alone doesn't change hearts. It might stop the act, but not the hate behind it.
So, is there a real way to stop this hate?
Yes, there is one lasting way. It's when human consciousness rises.
Consciousness? What does that mean?
It's the awareness deep within us. It's the intelligence that stops us from doing wrong and guides us toward what is right. It's what helps us stay kind, fair, and loving. There's no room for hate where consciousness lives. When we lose touch with it, we fall. But when we stay connected, we rise.
Today, Bharat mourns the loss of innocent lives to the heinous terrorist attack in Kashmir. We stand united to give a befitting reply to the culprits behind it. Bharat has always been a land of seekers. But when needed, it has also been a land that witnessed the war of Mahabharata. We still believe the only way humanity can end hatred and rise above differences of religion and belief is by awakening human consciousness. Its time has come. Let's together create a world where everyone can thrive. Not just for ourselves, but for generations to come.